Bob wasn't really recognized in Jamaica. You understand? Bob music recognized when him go overseas. So this is what's going to happen. We don't recognize nothing that we do. None of our people that we recognize. So it's good that Ajax could just take up this thing and run with it.
Welcome, Sports Nation, to Sports DTM, the sports channel where we call sports down the middle. You can expect the latest in sports news, views, and reviews from our resident analysts. No sports topic is too controversial, and no team or player is above criticism. So just smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on our balanced offering of riveting sports content. And don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. Welcome to Sports DTM.
Greetings, Sports DTM fans, and welcome to another episode of Sports Down the Middle, the channel of undiluted sports content. Your favorite analysts are here to provide their feedback on the latest happening in the world of sports. Now, analysts, this released kit from Ajax has been on the lips of a lot of football fans, some who don't even support Ajax. Having seen the kit, I said them want one. So this is a big selling point for Ajax. And this kit is in honor of the reggae legend, Jamaican Bob Marley. But before we go into the details, fans out there, we see that you've been watching and liking our videos. We also want you to be part of the Sports DTM family by clicking that subscription button. Yes, that red button below your video, to the right of your video at the bottom, just click on it. It will turn gray and you will now be part of the Sports DTM family. And you can also click the bell so that you get all the latest releases from this channel. Once a video goes out, it will pop up on all your devices and you will get first on view of whatever is being released. Analyst, Ajax has released their third kit for next season, and it is in honor of the great reggae icon, Bob Marley. And you all know the Three Little Birds song is Ajax theme anthem, and they want to show how much them love the reggae icon and Bob Marley by designing a very wicked jersey to show that with the Three Little Birds on them chests, me think it bad. It is not yet on sale, and it will go on sale on Adidas website as well as Ajax website. Once the season starts, then jersey will go on sale. So fans out there who are wondering how to get the jersey, they are not yet ready for sale, but I don't know if you check a China man if them have it, but the official channel, Ajax website as well as Adidas website. So analyst, Ricky, talk to me about this Three Little Bird jersey, black, green, and yellow.
Well, Kurt, anything Bob in it have nice. Famous saying there can only be one Bob. Anything after that is Bobby Socks. I think it's a good move Ajax is making because this will make them very marketable. Anything you put Bob Marley name or the colors or anything like that too, it's guaranteed to succeed. So yeah, I think they're going to sell a whole lot of jerseys. In fact, me go log on and see if we can get one, just for the name, But it's a good move for the team, and seeing that their theme song also ties in with the entire thing, the entire jersey theme and everything. It will sell, and it's a good move for them. So, I hope it's not expensive. It's affordable so that we on this side can log on and buy it. So yeah, man, big up on yourself, Ajax.
Balak, from time to time, we'll look forward to the teams that we support jersey. And sometime every year, all them do just change the color. But in this case, is a complete redo, a theme promoting Bob and the reggae music. This is excellent sell.
Yes, Mr. Ost. I mean, this is that it reminds me of the NBA City team jerseys. You know those. Um, I mean, it's just a limited edition thing. You know, I mean, this is amazing and sell off. They're gonna sell off like straight. People who don't even support Ajax will support Ajax, and this is good for Ajax. Ajax is one of the fundamental teams in Europe from ever since, you know.
Yes.
Um and putting Bob Marley themed jersey with those Rasta colors, it's I mean, as I said, it's gonna sell off like quickly. I'm even thinking of getting one. I as everybody all know, I don't own a football. Only football jersey I have is football jersey that I pay for the team. You know, I don't
You're
own a football
wagonist, man.
jersey.
You're wagonist, you know. So
Hey. I don't know
wagon.
why AC Milan or FC Barcelona didn't come up with this. Better yet, I don't know why the Jamaican national team didn't come up with something like this in order to raise funds, right, Mr. Owens? They might always see
Yes.
them indebted and this, then oh, this a person money, then oh everybody money. This would be a perfect idea, a perfect scheme in which to sell jersey, get some jersey sales, get some money in the coffers, you know. But thumbs up to Ajax. Lovely move. I'll be looking forward to seeing those jerseys. And it's always warming to be watching a European game, any game, no matter of fact, any foreign game, and hear Bob Marley being playing and people singing. They said that the Jamaican flag being waving, it warms my heart personally. I don't know about you guys, but yeah.
Eddie, why Jamaica couldn't get such a design? As Balak mentioned, this would be a great selling for the jersey in Jamaica. I know Jamaica jersey probably will sell, but I'm not even sure if it's in a stores. But why Jamaica couldn't get such a deal for themselves?
Kurt, that's $1 million question, you know. I don't know. We have a deal with Umbro. The kick them look nice, yes, but to have that vision that Ajax, to have that vision that Ajax had is tremendous, and we need some marketing genius once again to come on board. We need somebody to help push and promote Jamaica. We need that backing. We need somebody to help promote Jamaica, and it's a big selling point to have Bob Marley and your jersey, and Ajax did well. We have to big them up. You know, then probably people might say they're stealing our culture, but you know that's another argument for a different day. But I would say they're helping us to promote the brand, and I think that's something that we need to do more. But you know, that's just the way it is right now, and it's unfortunate, but I'm definitely getting one of those jerseys.
and Ajax is one of those teams where if you're in them jersey, nobody not really bad mind you.
Exactly.
Tiga, me sure you're gonna sing the Three Little Birds song.
No, man. All right. Guess what?
Oh,
All right, let's look at it now on a different level. And I know you guys having fun and stuff like that. But if we take the life of Bob wasn't really recognized in Jamaica. You understand? Bob music recognized when him go overseas. So this is what's going to happen. We don't recognize nothing that we do. None of our people that we recognize. So it's good that Ajax could just take up this thing and run with it. You understand? And promote it. Yeah, we might get little thing out of it. And people know, say, yeah, Jamaica, they done this. But guess what? If Jamaica, they take it up and run with it, it will not go nowhere at all. So, them say a prophet is not honor his own country. Somebody have to deal with it. So, this is what's been happening. So, guess what? Even if some great marketing genius, they say, Bob Marley, somebody they run out the back and say, no. You understand? That not gonna work. Not gonna sell.
I disagree. I think those jerseys would sell to foreigners more than Jamaicans. So I agree with you on that point. I think the jerseys would sell, but mainly to foreigners. Definitely. Like I have never worn my Bob Marley shirt on the road without somebody saying something. oh, he's a good man and all. Like that, they always find something to say. You know, so I think
Where,
it's a jersey.
where you weird, Balak? Where you weird? In Jamaica
Oh,
or overseas where you live now?
that's what I'm saying to you, Mr.
All right,
T.
fine. Yeah.
Over here. But what I'm saying, Mr. Davis, is that the jerseys would sell, but mainly
So, Mr.
foreigners would
Balak,
buy
why
them.
our Jamaican jersey not selling? Why the foreigners are not buying our Jamaican jersey?
Because in another store.
I'm,
In another store.
It not sell. Or if you buy something, it not sell, brother.
But not sell more to the foreigners.
But there you have it, sports DTM fans. Ajax tapping into the reggae icons' popularity by designing a jersey fit for anybody who want floss or sport or brag. The jersey wicked. And we want to just zone in on that. Ajax, Netherlands is a big reggae country, and they have just used their marketing geniuses to come up with this. And we want to big up Ajax for doing that. Fans out there want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this jersey? Will you be buying it?
Too.
Ajax fans. Me wish me did know the Dutch words them to talk to Uno, but just get an app, translate this so you can understand. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Arsenal me support still. So Arsenal, please get one jersey with Bob on it. This has been another episode of Sports Down the Middle. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come and join the Sports DTM family. Be blessed.